The authorities of the state shall respect and ensure human rights as the expressed in this constitution and treaties concerning human rights that are binding upon Norway. Every human being has the right to life. No one shall be sentenced to death. No one shall be subjected to torture or to human or degrading treatment or punishment. No one shall be held in slavery or required to perform forced labor. The authorities, the state, shall protect the rights to life and oppose torture, slavery, forced labor, and other forms of inhuman or degrading treatment. No one may be deprived of liberty except in case determined by law and the manner prescribed by law. The privation of liberty must be necessary and not constitute of discriminatory interference. A person who has been arrested shall be promptly before a court. Anyone who has been deprived of liberty has the right to bring the matter before a court without undue delay. Those responsible for unlawful arrest or illegal detention shall be held accountable to the person concerned. Everyone has the right to have their case tried by independent and impartial court with a responsible time. Legal proceedings shall be fair and public. However, the court may hold hearing in a camera if consideration of privacy of the parties concerned or significant public interest so require. The authorities of the state shall ensure the independence of impartiality of the courts and members of the judiciary. No one shall be convicted except according to law, uh, nor except after a court judgment. Everyone has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty according to law. No one shall be punished by being required to surrender property or assets that have been lawfully uh, acquired unless such assets have been used or are the process of criminal acts. No law shall be given retroactive effect. All persons are equal before the law. No one shall be subjected to unfair or disproportionate treatment. Freedom of expression shall be upheld. No one may be held legally for having confined or reserved information, ideas, or message unless such liability can be justified and relational to the grounds for freedom of expression, namely the source of right, the promotion of democracy, and the individual freedom to form opinions. Such legal responsibility shall be prescribed by law. Everyone has a right to express opinion honestly about the administration of the state and any subject whatsoever. Clear limitation on this right may only be imposed when particularly widely consideration justify them. Prior censorship and preventive measures shall not be applied as if were necessary to protect children and young persons from a harmful influence of films. Censorship of letter may only be implemented in institution. Everyone has the right of access to document of the state and money on municipalities and follow the proceedings of courts and democratically elected bodies. Limitation to the right may be prescribed by law to the individual privacy or for the important reasons to authorities of the state shall create conditions that facilitate an open and elected by discourses. Everyone has the right to form, join, and live associations, including trade unions, and political parties, all persons may assemble in a peaceful meeting and demonstration. Everyone has the right to respect for the private and family life, home communication. Searches of private homes shall not be carried out except in criminal case. The authorities of the state shall ensure the protection of the personal integrity. Children have the right to respect for the human dignity. They have the right to be heard in matters concerning them, and their views shall be given to weight and accordance with their age and development. In actions and discussions affecting children, the best interest of the children shall be a fundamental considerations. Children have the right protection of their personal integrity. The authorities of the state shall create conditions that facilitate the children's development, including ensuring the child is provided with the necessary economic, social, and health security, preferably within their own family. If the welfare of the state requires that a person surrender their movable or invaluable property for public use, that person shall receive full compensations from the state treasury. Everyone have lawfully residing with territory of the state may move freely within territory and choose their place for of residence. No one be denied the right to leave the territory of the state unless this necessary of effective legal proceeding or the performance of military service. Norwegian citizens may not be denied entry to the territory of the states. The authorities of the states shall create conditions enabling the same people as an indigenous people to preserve and develop their language, culture, and way of life. Everyone has the right of education. Children have the right to receive basic education. Education shall safeguard the individual abilities and need promote respect for the democracy, law, and human rights. And then the authorities of the state shall ensure access to upper secondary education and equal opportunities for higher education based on qualifications. The authorities of the state shall create conditions in which every person capable of working can earn a living through work of enterprise. Those who are unable to provide themselves are entitled to support from the state. Specifically, preventions considering employees the right participate in, in decision making at the workplace shall be uh, precised by law. Everyone has the right to environment conducive to health and natural environment whose productivity and disability are preserved. Natural resources shall be managed of the basis of comprehensive long-term consideration that will safeguard this right for the future generation. To safeguard their right in accordance with the above paragraph, citizens are entitled for the information about the state of natural environment and about the effect of any abridgment and nature that are planned or carried out. The authorities of the state shall take measures to implement the principles. Enforcement by the authorities against individuals must be based on law. Specific preferences concerning employment, the right to participate in decision making, the workplace shall be preserved by law. Thank you.